Experience the freedom of living and working in Malta with the Malta Nomad Residence Permit Program. This unique initiative not only allows you to enjoy the beauty of Malta, but also provides the flexibility to travel across Europe. With world-class healthcare and access to all the amenities Malta has to offer, the Digital Nomad Visa is designed to create a seamless experience for remote workers. The Malta Digital Nomad Visa establishes a legal framework for individuals seeking an extended stay, fostering a community of remote professionals contributing to the local economy. To be eligible for this visa, you must meet specific criteria, including being a citizen of a third country and having a monthly income of at least €2,700. Whether you are a partner, employee, or consultant offering freelance services to companies outside Malta, this program opens doors to a vibrant lifestyle. A common concern is whether family members can join the adventure. The answer is yes. When applying for a Maltese Digital Nomad Visa, you can bring your spouse, minor child, or a dependent child due to illness or disability. Moreover, financially dependent children are also welcome. Embrace the opportunity to combine work and leisure in Malta with the Digital Nomad Visa, offering an enriching experience for both professionals and their families. Discover the beauty of the Mediterranean while pursuing your career goals. Discover the unparalleled benefits of living in Malta as a freelancer with a Nomad Visa, creating a perfect blend of work and leisure. The advantages include English as the primary language. Malta's primary language being English provides a seamless communication experience, facilitating both personal and professional interactions. Schengen travel perks. With your Digital Nomad Residence Permit, explore other Schengen countries effortlessly, adding an extra layer of cultural richness to your nomadic lifestyle. Strategic location. Situated at the crossroads of Europe, North Africa, and the Middle East, living in Malta offers easy access to diverse cultures and landscapes. Friendly community. Malta's reputation for having welcoming and friendly citizens creates a supportive environment for freelancers, fostering a sense of belonging. Idyllic island lifestyle. As an island nation, Malta boasts stunning beaches, charming cafes, and vibrant bars, providing an enchanting backdrop for your nomadic journey. Culinary delights. Indulge in the exquisite seafood cuisine that Malta is renowned for, savoring a delightful gastronomic experience. Perfect beach weather. Enjoy Malta's ideal beach weather, allowing you to make the most of the picturesque surroundings while pursuing your freelancing career. Cutting-edge technology. Malta stands out as a destination with access to 5G technology, offering an impressive internet speed of 188.55 megabits per second. In this section, we'll delve into the tax obligations for digital nomads living in Malta under the Nomad Visa. A common question that pops up is, do digital nomads pay taxes in Malta? The answer to that is quite straightforward. If you hold a digital nomad visa, you are exempt from paying taxes in Malta if your income is not sourced from Malta. This means that as long as you're earning your income from your freelancing activities outside of Malta, you won't be liable to pay taxes in the country. Furthermore, if you maintain tax residency in your home country, you are not required to pay taxes in Malta, even for stays exceeding 183 days per year. This is a significant advantage for freelancers who wish to spend a considerable amount of time in Malta without worrying about additional tax burdens. However, it's crucial to consult with a tax advisor or a professional who specializes in international taxation to ensure you're abiding by all the necessary tax laws. In the next scene, we'll wrap up our discussion on the Malta Nomad Residence Permit Program. Stay tuned. In this scene, we will discuss the necessary documents required when applying for the Malta Digital Nomad Visa. Ensuring you have the correct paperwork in order can make the application process smoother and quicker. Firstly, you'll need a valid passport with at least 2 blank pages, and copies of all pages should be included in your application. Next, depending on your specific requirements, you would need to fill out application forms N1, N2, and N4. Accompanying your application, a detailed cover letter outlining your trip details, purpose, and stay plans in Malta should be included. One of the most critical requirements is proof of stable income. This can be provided through work contracts and a CV detailing your job position and qualifications. If applicable, documentation of your relationship status may also be required. Another crucial aspect of your application is proof of accommodation. This can be shown through a rental agreement in Malta. Your bank statements for the last 6 months demonstrating financial stability should also be submitted. Lastly, valid health insurance specifically for digital nomads is required, along with a health declaration with medical documents attesting to your good health condition. Remember, having these documents ready and available when applying for your Malta Digital Nomad Visa can help streamline the process and ensure you're ready to embark on your exciting journey as a freelancer in Malta. Up next, we'll wrap up our discussion on the Malta Nomad Residence Permit Program, so stay tuned. In this scene, we will walk you through the step-by-step process of applying for the Malta Digital Nomad Visa. Now that you've gathered all the necessary documents, it's time to take the next step. Firstly, submit your application online at the Residency Malta agency. You can accomplish this by sending an email to nomad.residencymalta@gov.mt. We have provided the link to the application in the description box below for your convenience. After submitting your application, it's time to be patient. The agency will review your application, and if accepted, you will be invited to Malta to proceed with the next steps for obtaining your residence permit. Remember, thorough preparation is key to avoiding application refusals. Missing documents are a common reason for rejection, so make sure you have everything in order before submitting your application. Embarking on your nomadic journey with the Malta Digital Nomad Visa, where work meets the serenity of island life, is an exciting prospect. Follow these steps carefully, and you'll be on your way to experiencing the vibrant culture and stunning landscapes of Malta, all while enjoying the freedom of your digital nomad lifestyle. In the next scene, we'll wrap up our discussion on the Malta Nomad Residence Permit Program, so stay tuned. In this scene, we will talk about what happens once you've successfully applied for the Malta Digital Nomad Visa and how to extend your stay in Malta. After your application has been accepted, you'll be invited to Malta to proceed with the final steps. Upon arrival, if you plan to stay beyond 6 months, you'll need to apply in person for a Nomad Residence Permit at Identity Malta. You will need additional documents for this, including a valid passport, health insurance, proof of accommodation, and documentation confirming you've passed a background verification check. The Nomad Residence Permit initially grants a 1-year stay, but can be renewed annually, as long as you continue to meet the visa requirements. To extend your digital nomad visa, visit the Residency Malta agency before your current one expires. The Maltese Nomad Visa allows for a 1-year stay with the option for renewal if you meet the criteria. This means you can enjoy the vibrant culture, stunning landscapes, and serene work environment of Malta for as long as you wish, provided you meet the necessary requirements. In our final scene, we'll wrap up our discussion on the Malta Nomad Residence Permit Program, so stay tuned. In this scene, we want to remind you that if you found this information valuable, we encourage you to support our community. How? Well, it's simple. Firstly, give this video a thumbs up and like it. This helps us to understand what content is most useful to our viewers. Secondly, subscribe to our channel. By doing so, you'll be the first to know when we release new videos, and it helps us to grow our community. Lastly, share this video with your fellow digital nomads. By sharing our content, you're helping to spread valuable information that can aid others on their digital nomad journeys. And don't forget to click the notification bell. This ensures that you're always updated on our latest content, so you never miss out. Thank you for being part of our digital nomad community. We appreciate your support and are excited to continue providing you with insightful content. Now let's wrap up our discussion on the Malta Nomad Residence Permit Program.